Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will compare GoDaddy versus Ionos. Now, as you know, these are two hostings or two scalable hostings for any websites out there. Now, first one is, as you can see, Ionos, and then we have a second one, which is GoDaddy. Now, both of these are great platforms. Now, which one is better, we will see at the end of the video. But let's get right here and let me just show you, main things when we compare these two. So as you can see, overall rating for those two is 4.0. Now, for both of these, they have pretty much the same rating. When it comes to GoDaddy, it starts from $7. When it comes to Ionos, it starts from $0.5. So this is a drastic change when it comes to Ionos, and this is why I think Ionos has much better things and better features to offer than GoDaddy. But let's take a look at all the other things. Now, as you can see, uptime is 99.9% with Ionos, while on GoDaddy it's 99.97%. Now, money back guarantee, we have 30 days for Ionos, and then we have 48 hours to 30 days for GoDaddy, pretty much the same as Ionos. Obviously, both of those platforms have free domain and free backups, and both of those platforms have storage space. While on the other hand, GoDaddy has 25 gigabytes, I think, in the first package. If you opt in for a more expensive package, they will have 100 gigabytes. But Ionos is pretty much the same with 25 gigabytes to unlimited storage space. Now, bandwidth is unlimited and RAM is around 500 megabytes to 12 gigabytes, as well as the GoDaddy, it has 500 megabytes to 32 gigabytes. Now, when we compare those two, I would say right off the bat that Ionos has better pricing, better uptime, and it also offers unlimited storage space. So when you take a look at this from a perspective of someone who is building a website and wants the website to be faster, cheaper, and more reliable, then I would go for Ionos. However, GoDaddy is here for longer periods of time, so maybe they have more trust. But when it comes to Ionos, if we go to their website, we can see here that they actually have a $1 per month plan. We can see the plans here. As you can see, $1 per month and then $12 a month later on, with unlimited websites, unlimited storage, unlimited databases, and a lot of different and other things such as great support and stuff like that. So if I want to compare these two, I would say clearly that Ionos is a winner, but just by a tiny bit, because they actually have more affordable plans. They have uptime that is a bit more reliable, just a bit more, and then we have storage spaces that goes up to unlimited, while on GoDaddy it goes out to 100 gigabytes. So if you want to do something like a blog, or you want to have a lot of storage space, you want it to be as cheap as possible, go for Ionos. However, if you have a simple website and you want a more reliable solution, again, I would go with Ionos either way, but GoDaddy is also not that bad. So I'm 50-50 when it comes to this. Comment down below which one is best for you. I would choose Ionos, however, just because it has a bit more reliability in terms of the pricing and uptime, and also storage space. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next video.